Hi guys, you can see this t-shirt. I made it using toothpaste and clothes bleach. Prepare a cotton t-shirt. Insert the cardboard into the t-shirt. Prepare a screen measuring T1 to O. Prepare the container and screen printing emulsion. Mix the emulsion. Stir until evenly mixed. Pour it onto the screen. Use a ruler to level it. Dry using a hair dryer. Print the image on HVS paper. Attach it to the screen by adding cooking oil. Level it using a PVC card. Dry in the sun for 30 seconds. Wash and spray using clean water. Let it dry. Cover all sides with duct tape. Take closed bleach,
I feel like I'm losing my
plastic container, toothpaste,
everybody in the world
and fork.
Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Mix the toothpaste and bleach.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day.
Stir until evenly mixed.
Blow up from the basement. Statement. The top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Pour it out.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Do as you see.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Let's stand for 1 minute. Remove the cardboard.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause.
Take the iron and set it to
Do me a
maximum
favor.
temperature.
Don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got
Dry
my
using
own
an iron.
issues. I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you. Just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to
Look,
make you
the
sick.
results are
Listen to
amazing.
what they give. Don't ask
Now you can
questions,
try
shut
it
your
at home.
lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid.